I just want to give you guys an update on the Aerogarden because it has grown so big. You have to see. Okay, these are it. These are different colors, sparkling red, great. Okay, you guys, it's Saturday morning, and we're in another vlog. Yay! My baby Dominique came to me this morning, told me that there was no water in the Aerogarden. She keeps up with it, you guys. She lets me know what it needs. So I finally got up and checked, and sure enough, there's basically, I'm dropping the water bottles because that's what I'm gonna put in there. Look, I don't know if you can see. It's about almost gone. She was not playing. She was not telling the story. So I'm gonna go ahead and refill it and put some water in here.
Hello. So today you're water.
So yeah, we got Raylan. She's demonstrating the bottled water we got. Hold that up. Let them see. We just got some regular purified water, Great Value brand, and we're gonna add it into here because, like I told you earlier, my baby Dominique said it's dry, and we need to fill it up.
Yeah, we need to fill it up.
So she's gone right now with Dad. Her and all the sisters. Oh yeah, I see the little bubbles. It was getting real dry. I mean, real dry.
Can I pour this
here.
one?
Huh? Yeah, you want to pour one? Yeah. All right. So I'm just searching for any ripe tomatoes. I see some red. It look like a red over there. Let me see, can I find it? I didn't even intend on picking, but look what I found so far. Yeah, so they're still coming on, and you see I still got some greens on here. So I'm gonna get this last one. I don't know if you can see it in that center. I'm gonna pull it and see, because it's, I'll just go, what is it? Pokes, look like it got some pokes in it. All right, so not keeping that one, just gonna keep that there. You can fertilize the ground because it got some little holes in it. Let's see, what about this one? And this one. So I think that's all I see, so I'm gonna grab these four and take them in. All right, you guys, the mosquitoes are definitely still out because my legs were itchy when I came back in. I'm gonna get to editing my previous video so that it's already out there. It should already be out there because this is the next vlog. So I'm gonna get to editing that video so we can get it posted on Sunday, which is when I drop my videos. All right, today is Wednesday and we're about to get ready to do remote work from home. The kids are out of school today, so they're with their dad right now. And I just want to give you guys an update on the Aerogarden because it has grown so big. You have to see. Look at those flowers. Look at all those flowers. We're going to have so many cherry tomatoes. And look how big the plant is. We're just going to let it grow. The basil is doing beautiful. It's growing all the way up to the light. This one doesn't have as many flowers, probably because it's getting a little shade from the basil. But it's beautiful. Let me take you over here to the other garden. This is the Bounty Basic. Let me take you over to the Harvest. All right, we're at the Harvest, and you see how big everything has gotten. These heads, even, I don't know if you saw it the week before, but it was very low. It's coming back looking a lot better. My husband pulled the light up a little bit higher. I still haven't cut the hours short yet, but we may not need to for the moment. And this is, this is the one I planted about 2 weeks ago. See how big it's getting? And the Aerogarden is telling me that I need to add plant food. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. All right, take the cup. See, this is what it looks like. Take the cup, pour it in here. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to add some water too. All right, so I got my 2 bottles of water. I'm going to add into the harvest because it looks like the roots are eating away the water. Drinking away. They're drinking away the water. There's a lot of roots in here too. I'm just going to fill it. Okay, so after you add the plant food, you have to reset the timer, and that is it. Got my green tea. I'm gonna do 2, and I'll just refill it throughout the day. Let it steep for a minute. Has a beautiful golden brown color. I'm gonna add this mermaid tropical citrus. I'm just trying this out. Okay, a little flavor, good to go. Now I'm ready to go to work. All right, before heading out, not heading out to work because it's here. Before I clock in, I have my water bottle. I'm gonna have in my desk. Y'all, I don't have a crazy lunch today. I mean, not lunch, but snack at my desk. Skinny pop and my green tea. So we are ready to go. Okay, you guys, I'm back home with the girls. Parent-teacher conference went amazing. My girls are doing so good. So proud of them. They are all super shining stars. And I'm about to pollinate. I'm going to try to attempt to pollinate tomatoes. I don't know if I do it once a day or once a week. So I'm going to have to look it up. But I'm going to start it tonight. I'm starting it tonight because I'm super excited to do that. So check me out. Yeah. So this is a technique. I hope it works. I'm gonna do it twice a week, but I'll look it up and I'll clarify exactly how many times you do this till we see a difference. But you know, it's a beautiful cherry tomato plant, dwarf size, growing in the Bounty Basic Aerogarden. Happy Thursday, everybody. Today it's been a great day, very slow moving day for me. I didn't have to work that much this morning, but I did do remote work and just taking care of some family business on the computer. And now I am headed to go get the girls. So yeah, been enjoying this morning so far. My husband came by and brought me some lunch. So we had some Subway. It was delicious. We were just sitting there talking and just yakking it up. just enjoying each other's company. So that was a nice little surprise. I love it when he does stuff like that. Shows up and like always bring me lunch. It's always fun. So now I'm headed to go get the girls, and he's been getting them this week. So I'm just gonna get them toward the end, Thursday and Friday. So yeah, that's what our week's been going like this so far. So yeah, I made it. I'm here to pick up the girls. I try to be a little early, so I have a good amount of time. I'm gonna call my mom and check on her. Okay, I'm in the car and I'm thinking about the other night I just had a dream, and it was a dream within a dream. Have you guys ever had a dream within a dream? That's the first time I've ever paid attention to it. I probably have, but this is the first time I paid attention to it. It was like it was a nap in a dream. And it was a relative that had passed on, and they were telling me to give the kids at the party a certain amount of thing. I think it was a birthday party, and give the kids these little satchel bags and 15 pieces of these little chewy berry candies, and put 15 in every bag. But that was the nap within the dream. So have you guys ever had a dream within the dream? It just was very interesting to me that I noticed that. I never really noticed that before. Let me know. Did y'all know I was Nana's baby? Yeah. Did you know I was the youngest?
No.
Let's leave the baby alone. Don't be messing with the baby, okay? We don't want to mess with the baby. What that mean?
That means this is going to get longer.
Longer? Nah, not mine. Maybe yours. Right now you got my head shaped back. Right now. You got mommy's head shaped. Nana coming. You can get Nana getting in.
I'm gonna do my homework.
Ooh, this it's gorgeous out here, but stuff like this be killing my eyes.
I know. Wow, they say it's such a pretty day.
Such a pretty day.
Especially compared to yesterday.
I said, Lord, it's too pretty to be complaining.
Amen.
But that's
Happy Friday, everyone. It's a new day. Very excited about Friday. We love the end of the week. I just wanted to show you the plants. They're so beautiful. They're growing and looking so luscious and good. Okay, the tomato, and I don't know if you saw in the last scene where I pollinated them. These are the basil. Looks like they're burning a little bit because they're so close to the light. Some of them, the leaves are burning. So, and I actually had another stem here, but it broke off. Raylan wanted to look at the burned leaves. One of them was a burned leaf. She wanted to look at them, and the stem broke off. But that's fine because we have another luscious plant on the other on the harvest, and this is looking gorgeous and luscious. The cilantro is looking good. Strawberry is still a seed. This little cilantro is growing. It's getting some shade, so that's helping them grow. And from the basil's looking good. All the basil's looking good. No burning on here. No burning on them. They're all looking good. And this cilantro is looking good. So we have enough to start plucking and making meals. So I'm so excited for them. So excited for the Aerogarden. So hydroponics is where it's at. Very easy to take care of. Just make sure you have plant food and water. I did want to also show you guys my outfit of the day because it reminds me of Paris and the style of Paris. I used to actually wear it with a beanie all the time, and it was so cute. So my outfit, I just have on some regular jeans and this green shawl. This is the shawl I love. It's amazing. And I just wear it with a long sleeve shirt. And like I said, I used to wear it with a beanie, but I love this shirt. I've had it for a long time. I just super, super love it. I love wearing it. That's my outfit of the day. I'm about to go in and do a few hours of working, get some business taken care of for home on the computer, and then do some grocery shopping. So I have some things to do today, and I'll take you with me. All right. Okay, here we go. Snap and clip. Okay, these are it. These are different colors, sparkling red, great. I'm gonna grab this. Whew, y'all, I am so tired after going to the grocery store and getting all the groceries and putting them on the belt and putting them up. But the guy at the cash register was so helpful. He had me put them in there and had me kind of like get everything sped up, and it was very funny. So that was appreciative. Everybody was like really, really nice today, being very talkative. So I really, really like that and appreciate the customers as well as the everyone working there. So it's always a good experience going to that Walmart. Everybody's so friendly and nice. And I was so happy to run into my mommy and my auntie there. They were doing some shopping as well. And what else? Yeah, then putting the groceries up, coming home, putting the groceries up. So I am tired. My legs are tired. My legs are tired. They feel like they have been going. But I have enjoyed this week vlogging, you guys, for what I was able to vlog. I didn't get much to vlog the past weekend, like I said, because I wasn't feeling so well. But, we made up. I think we have a lot of some good footage of what went down. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm really enjoying the vlogging, and I really want to get content up and available. And please continue to support, like, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I just hope you enjoy watching these videos. I feel like they're so meaningful to me, especially when you just have memories recorded in time. So it's just very special. So definitely continue watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you to come join the family and be a part of my channel. And as well as like, subscribe, leave some comments. Let me know what you would like to see as well. What I always want to leave with you is, may God bless you, may He protect you, may He keep you, keep shining like a bright star, and have an amazing day, have an amazing weekend. I love you.